Software applicability 10. Few clouds at 7,000. Few clouds at 9,000. Temperature 27. 2.09. Altimeter 3008. Landing runways 36 center, 36 right, 36 left. Departing runways 36 center, 36 right. Numerous cranes in operation around Charlotte Douglas. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Juliet. Charlotte Douglas Airport information, Juliet. 2116 Zulu.
Good evening, Charlotte clearance, American 738 with Juliet, ready to copy, IFR to Savannah.
American 738, Charlotte clearance, information Juliet correct, cleared to Savannah Hilton Head Airport, icons 5 departure with the Nooks transition, then is filed. Maintain 5000 departure frequency 1 tree 5.6, squawk 5462.
Cleared to Savannah Hilton Head Airport, icons 5 departure, Nooks transition, then as filed, maintain 5000. Departure frequency 135.6, squawk 5462, American 738.
American 738 readback correct. Contact ground 1 tree 1.6 when ready for push or start.
Ground on 131.6 when ready, American 738. Pre-flight checklist.
Oxygen.
Tested 100%.
Tested 100%. Navigation transfer and display switches. Normal auto. Windows heat. On. Pressurization mode selector. Auto. Flight instruments.
Set and checked.
Heading 0, 0, 3. Altimeter 3, 0, 1, 1. Parking brake.
Set.
Engine start levers.
Cut off.
Pre-flight checklist completed.
Are you ready for the departure briefing?
Go ahead.
Okay, we'll be departing Charlotte out of runway 36 center using the SID icon 5. We'll transition at Nooks. According to SimBrief, our initial cruise will be 240, it could be higher. We will wait for further guidance from center. We are rated thrust, takeoff, APU on, no noise abatement procedures in place, bleeds on, anti-ice off. We have a very full flight, so we're overweight. So if permitted and we have an emergency, we will try to burn off fuel before landing. Last check, there are no threats in the area. Any questions?
No questions.
Before start checklist.
Stand by.
Thank you. Good evening, Charlotte ground. American 738. Request push and start.
Checked.
American 738, Charlotte ground, pushback and engine start approved, face west.
Pushback and engine start approved. Facing left, American 738.
Negative, face west.
Face left, American 738.
Negative, face west.
Pushback approved. Face left, American 738.
Negative, face west.
Face left, American 738.
Negative, face west.
Face left. Before start checklist.
Flight deck door closed and locked. MCP.
Set and checked.
Takeoff speeds.
Set and checked.
CDU pre-flight.
Hello, Captain. We
Completed.
are ready for pushback.
Rudder and aileron trim.
3 and 0.
Taxi and takeoff briefing.
Completed.
Anti-collision light on. Before start checklist completed.
Departure checks completed. Bypass pin inserted.
Start sequence is 2 then 1.
Check.
Locking gear. Release parking brakes, please. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Start engine 2.
Starting engine 2. Oil pressure. Starter cutout. Number 2 stable.
Start engine 1.
Start engine 1. Oil pressure. Starter cutout. Number 1 stable.
Please set parking brakes. Unlocking gear.
Flaps 5. Flight controls check complete.
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass pin removed. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Before taxi checklist.
Generators. On. Probe heat. On. Anti-ice. Off. Isolation valve. Auto. Recall.
Checked.
Checked. Auto brake. RTO. Engine start levers.
Idle detent.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Ground equipment.
Clear.
Clear. Before taxi checklist completed.
Charlotte ground, American 738, request taxi runway 36 center.
American 738, runway 36 center, taxi via apron, Echo 17 Echo, hold short runway 5.
Taxi runway 36 center via apron, Echo 17 Echo, hold short runway 5. American 738. Clear left.
Clear right. Flight deck. Okay, thanks. Captain, the cabin is secure.
Charlotte ground, American 738, waiting to cross runway 5.
American 738, cross runway 5 at Echo. Continue taxi via Echo, Echo 1.
Cross runway 5 at Echo, continue taxi via Echo, Echo 1, American 738. Before takeoff checklist.
Flaps.
5 green light.
Stabilizer trim.
4.67 units. Set and checked.
Before takeoff checklist completed.
Thank you.
American 738, contact Charlotte Tower 133.35.
133.35, American 738. Good evening, Charlotte Tower, American 738, ready to go, runway 36 center.
American 738, backtrack runway 36 center, call when ready for departure.
Backtrack, runway 36 center, call when ready for departure, American 738. Charlotte Tower, American 738, ready, runway 36 center.
American 738, Charlotte Tower, wind variable, fly heading 190, runway 36 center, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 36 center, American 738. Before takeoff procedure.
Okay. Cabin crew, take your seats. Clear on the approach.
Thanks.
Ready to go.
Takeoff.
Thrust set. $80 knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up. .400 feet.
American 738, contact Charlotte departure. Take care.
Going to Charlotte departure. American 738. Good night.
Checked.
Good evening, Charlotte departure. American 738. 3,500.
American 738, Charlotte departure. Good day, radar contact, cleared direct Gilfin, resume the Icons 5, climb and maintain 12,000.
Clear direct Gilfin, resume the Icons 5, climb and maintain 120, American 738. Flaps 1. Flaps up. After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist. Engine bleeds. On. Packs. Auto.
American 738,
Landing
contact
gear.
Atlanta Center
Up and off.
133.15.
Flaps. Up. No lights.
133.15, American 738.
After takeoff checklist complete. Happy to release the cabin crew?
Okay.
10,000.
Yes, please.
Okay. Happy to release the cabin?
Sure. Okay. Thanks. Yes, please.
Portable electronic devices may now be used, with the exception of TVs, radios, two-way transmitters, or any other device in a transmit mode, as these devices may interfere with the aircraft's communication and navigation systems.
Affirmative. Good evening, Atlanta Center. American 738 passing 12,000.
American 738, Atlanta Center, good day. Climb and maintain flight level 240.
Climb and maintain flight level 240, American 738.
will be collecting all service items, newspapers, and any other items you wish to discard or may not be taking off the aircraft with you. Also, in preparation for landing, please turn off all electronic devices. Stow these devices and then all other carry-on items. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted during our flight. Please stow your tray tables or return your seats to their upright positions and check the security of your seatbelts. We will be landing shortly. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we start our descent, please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their upright position. Make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you or an overhead bin. Please turn off all electronic devices until we are safely parked at the gate. Thank you.
American 738, turn right heading 265, descend and maintain 3000.
Turn right, heading 265, descend and maintain 3000, American 738.
American 738, turn right heading 270.
Turn right, heading 270, American 738.
Flight deck. Okay, thanks. Captain, the cabin is secure.
Thank you.
Outer marker, height checked, missed approach altitude is not set.
American 738, turn right heading 310, intercept the one localizer, descend and maintain 2200.
Turn right. Turn right, heading 310, intercept the one localizer, descend and maintain 2200, American 738.
$1,000 to level.
Flaps 1.
Radio altimeter alive. Cabin crew, take your seats.
Flaps 5.
American 738 Airport is at your 2 o'clock, 14 miles. Report the field in sight.
American 738, field in sight.
American 738 cleared visual approach runway 1.
Cleared visual approach, runway 1, American 738.
American 738 contact Savannah Tower 125.975.
125.975, American 738. Savannah Tower, American 738, inbound visual runway 1.
American 738, Savannah Tower, continue.
Continue, American 738.
Autopilot off.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps 15.
American 738, wind tree 15 at 6, runway 1 cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 1, American 738. Flaps 30. Landing checklist.
Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30 green light.
1,000 feet. Not stable. Double check that, please. Landing checklist completed.
Cleared. Continue.
Departures normal. Auto brake disarmed.
Manual braking.
Checked. 60 knots.
Okay to clean up.
738, exit left at Alpha 2.
Roger.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the conclusion of our
Exit
flight.
left at Alpha
Remain
2, American
seated with
738.
seatbelts fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign and the aircraft is parked safely at the gate. This will be your indication it is safe to move about the cabin, gathering
American 738, contact ground 121.9er.
Thank you for flying with us today. We appreciate your
121.9er, American 738.
on a future flight.
Good evening, Savannah Ground, American 738. Request taxi, gate 10.
American 738, welcome to Savannah Hilton Head Airport, gate 10, taxi via Alpha 2.
Gate 10, taxi via Alpha 2, American 738. Good night.
Checked.
Start the APU.
Starting the APU.
Lights and doors.
Check. Cabin crew disarm doors and cross-check. Doors disarmed, no APU. APU on the buses. We are not at 3 minutes yet.
Shutdown checklist.
Fuel pumps. Off. Probe heat. Auto. Hydraulic panel. Set. Flaps.
Up.
Parking brake.
Set.
Engine start levers.
Cut off.
Weather radar.
Off.
Off. Shutdown checklist completed.
The boarding requested.